how to assemble BD2000 Crimp die. Assemble upper cutter parts. Install quick eject base. Fit upper spacer. Mount upper outer blade. Fit upper pressure blade. Tighten screws after assembly. Upper cutter assembly finish. Now assemble lower cutter. Install lower inner cutter base. Fit lower cutting blade. Mount lower inner blade. Fit lower outer blade. Install lower outer cutter base. Tighten screws after fitting. After tightening the two screws, check if the cutter base slides up and down freely. Next, assemble feeding plate. Place terminals on feeding base plate. Fit feeding cover onto the base plate. Check terminals slide front and back smoothly. Tighten the screws. Test terminal sliding again. After tightening screws, feeding plate installation complete. Put the assembled feeding plate on the wooden rack. Screw in all bottom screws fully. After feeding plate is installed, check if terminals stick close to cutter core. It's fine like this. BD2000 Crimp die assembly finish. Now mount the die onto the machine. Tighten mounting screws after fitting. Also tighten the left side screws. This screw eye put that adjusts wire clamping joints. Turn clockwise, jaws open wider. Turn counterclockwise, jaws narrow. This knob adjusts feed rod. Clockwise, feed rod move forward. Counterclockwise, feed rod move backward. Now test crimping effect. Show crimped wire harness samples.